If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Low-carb diets can be advantageous in increased body weight, heart disease, and treatment of diabetes according to new clinical studies. Low-carb diets still revolutionize the clinical practice of nutrition. Many scientists are now indicating low-carb solutions for many disease states, according to Richard D. Feynman, Ph.D., professor of biochemistry at SUNY Downstate Medical Center in Brooklyn. He also says, and practically speaking, some of the clinical results, particularly in diabetes, are quite remarkable. I have seen many patients who were heading for disaster and who have turned their disease and their lives around simply by avoiding foods they cannot tolerate, carbohydrates. This simple, effective approach could reverse the epidemic of type 2 diabetes, says Mary Vernon, MD, FAAFP, CMD, and president of the American Society of Bariatric Physicians, known for her controlled carbohydrate challenge with her patients for some time now. Thanks to the low-carb approach, we've seen many patients reduce or eliminate drug therapy. Of course, it is up to a patient if they want to continue their medication, but they should at least be given a choice of a non-pharmacological approach. Low-carb diets seem to have always had a metabolic foundation, and although the news attention has concentrated mainly on the business side of the topic, science continues to dramatically move forward with it. Some of the important findings of low-carb diets are: plus, a restrained carbohydrate way of life is an efficient way to control type 2 diabetes blood sugar. Patients are consistently able to lower or do away with disease. Plus, a third of overweight Americans who are trying to lose weight are doing so by eating fewer carbs. Plus, more recent evidence to bear the weight of the benefits of a restrained carbohydrate way of life for heart risk factors such as low HDL and small LDL lipoprotein standard. Plus, a restrained carbohydrate way of life may be the best treatment for metabolic syndrome, a forerunner condition to diabetes and heart disease. Plus, over 60% of Americans are overweight, 38% are actually doing something about it. Here are 2 constipation remedies that you can use for a mild case of constipation and a chronic case of constipation. Apple and pear juice. If you have a mild case of constipation, you can use this remedy to get results. Prepare equal amounts of fresh apple and pear juice. Drink this combination when you first wake up and 1 hour before bedtime. Juice the pears that are slightly hard. If the pear is ripe, it is best to blend it whole with apple juice to create a thick drink. Using the whole pear will give you additional fiber. Just remove the seeds but do not peel the organic type. Pears have minerals, vitamins, and chemicals that help to clean out your colon, kidney and to regenerate your blood cells. Apple juice and prune juice. Here's a constipation remedy that you can use if you have chronic constipation. In addition to just drinking apple juice, you can accelerate your peristaltic action with prune juice. Here's how to do it. If you have a juicer, you can make fresh apple juice and drink 3 to 4 glasses a day. You can also drink store-bought apple juice, but try to get fresh squeezed and not the type that has been flash pasteurized or pasteurized. If you can find fresh apple juice, then use flash pasteurized. Buy your juice in glass containers if possible. Plastic containers are processed using solvents that stay in the container walls and gradually outgas into the apple juice. This outgassing is more severe when plastic containers are stored in hot places. To speed up the laxative effects of apple juice, take the following combination first thing in the morning before you have breakfast. Drink 2 to 3 cups of prune juice. There was a superb television delight on here in the UK entitled Hypnosurgery recently, and it showed a man receiving hypnosurgery. That is, he had a hernia operation without any anesthesia other than by using hypnosis. Of course, it is a sensation because it is on television, however, these have been done for years. There are lots of film studies and masses of research that have been done using hypnosis alone when performing surgery. Many ways have been used to alleviate pain over the years, and I have experienced many myself and found hypnosis accompanied by a range of mental skills and tools to be by far the best way of overcoming and altering my response to it. Can you remember a time when you had a paper cut and you did not realize that you had it until later on that day when you saw it with your own eyes? It was not until you saw it that it hurt and thought, "Ooh, that smarts a bit." This is naturally occurring anesthesia, the capacity which exists within us all. One of the most basic methods for using your mind to create anesthesia is called the glove anesthesia method, and today I want to share it with you for you to use as and when you like. The important point here, you must only use this pain control technique when you know the cause of any pain. Please also consult a doctor if the condition persists. Otherwise, use this technique for fun and to remind you of how amazing you and your brain really are. Step 1. Find a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes. Get yourself relaxed. Focus on your breathing, let it be steady, deep, and slow. Imagine relaxing all the muscles in your body one by one, and really do take the time required to establish a nice relaxed physical state. Use your imagination to imagine a favorite place, somewhere you feel safe and relaxed. Imagine that you can hear the sounds of that place, see the sights, feel the feelings that you would feel in that place. Use your conscious mind's awareness and focus on each of the muscles in your body and think the word soften into each of your muscles. Imagine them melting, softening, and allow your mind to be peaceful. Take a good few minutes to do this, indulge yourself. Step 2. Develop a strong sense of purpose right now. Using your internal dialogue, remind yourself and tell yourself that you have the power and ability to be in control of any sensations in your body and mind. Because you really do. Tell yourself that you accept that you are in control of your own mind. Focus on and imagine the unlimited power of your mind. Tell yourself that you can send numbing sensations into any part of your body. Develop a sense of belief in yourself and the power of your own mind. Really encourage and empower yourself. Imagine that these words of personal power and belief that you say to yourself are being delivered to the deepest depths of your mind. Imagine that they've been accepted on every level of your body and mind. At this stage, also tell yourself that the word anesthesia is your key trigger word for a conditioned response later on. Step 3. Now we begin to invoke the glove anesthesia. Begin by concentrating upon your dominant hand, really focus on it to the exclusion of all else. Notice the tiniest of sensations within it. Begin to imagine that using your attention, your dominant hand is free of all feeling. This needs some time and concentration. Maybe you can use your imagination to imagine that your hand is encased in ice. Truly imagine those feelings. Separate your hand, in your mind, from the rest of your physical body. Think of it as detached from your physical being. Continue to focus your attention on your hand and allow it to lose all feeling. Using your internal dialogue again, tell yourself that your hand is becoming numb. No feeling at all. Inside your mind, instruct your hand to go to sleep. Tell it to go to sleep. Be aware of all the unusual sensations that are in your hand as you focus on it, and keep all your focus and concentration upon it. Tell yourself that every breath you take seems to cause your hand to become number and number until you just can't feel your hand at all. You just can't feel your hand at all because it is numb. No feeling. Numb. Tell yourself that with authority and belief. Step 5. Now, you're going to transfer this lack of feeling to the part of your body that you desire to feel numb and have the anesthesia in. So when you are sure that you have created the correct level of numbness in your hand, you're going to raise your hand and place it upon the part of your body you want to feel numb. When you do this, you'll transfer this numbness to that part of your body. So then go ahead and raise your hand and touch the part of your body you want to become cool and numb. Maybe imagine the numbness as a color that you are spreading into that area. Maybe imagine that part of your body being filled with that color and creating that numbness. Imagine all the sensations of numbness are being transferred into that part of your body. Release the numbness into that other part of your body. Then spend some moments doing that properly and thoroughly now. As you do it, give yourself a time limit that this is going to last for. Naturally, you do not want that part of you to be numb forever. So make sure that you set yourself a time limit when your self-induced anesthesia will end. Step 6. Now that you have transferred the calming, soothing, numbing coolness, and you're physically feeling better and better in that area. Really enjoy the sensations and marvel at your own amazing self. Imagine coolness permeates the area. Imagine you experience wonderful relief in that area. Breathe deeply and relax completely. Maybe even repeat a little mantra of support to yourself at this point. Calm, cool, soothing, numbing sensations permeates the area. Better and better. Numbness. Relief. Numbness. Use words that appeal to you the most. Step 7. When you have maintained the state and are sure that you feel really good, say the word anesthesia to yourself, so that each time you use this word on future occasions when you have the right intention and conditions to do this again, saying the word will bring the resources of this session to make next time even better. Breathe deeply, embrace the sensations in your body and mind and repeat the word to yourself. Trust that each time you choose to use it in the future, it has a wonderful effect of enhancing and amplifying your control over your anesthesia. Step 8. And it's time to focus the incredible power of your imagination by imagining yourself doing this even better next time. Imagine that you feel more and more in control of your own mind each time you do this. Experience the joy in this realization. Create every detail of this future occasion in your mind, including your reaction and the reactions of others. And in so doing you communicate your desire to the levels of mind that will assist you in manifesting this natural anesthesia better and better each time you do it. Each time you use that word when practicing your anesthesia, tell yourself it works more and more profoundly and powerfully. Imagine yourself really feeling good about this and what you can do with the power of your own mind. Spend a few moments quietly doing this. Step 9. When you have fully absorbed all you can from this wonderful experience, open your eyes and remember all that has been communicated. Step 10. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better and more thorough it is. You may want to practice doing this on your arm. Before doing it, pinch your arm until it hurts to gauge what your pain tolerance level is in that arm. Then when you have it anesthetized, test how different the sensations are. The benefits of massage are endless. Relaxation and rejuvenation are valuable tools involved in combating increasing stress levels. We know this. Relieving tight muscles is an effective and holistic approach to decreasing pain and discomfort acquired by everyone daily. We know this too. Then why is it that most people choose to overlook massage therapy as a viable option for body maintenance? Many concerns involve not knowing exactly what massage entails and trusting someone with your most prized possession, your body. If you have never had a massage, it is an understandably formidable challenge. Allow me to empower you with notions of modesty, knowledge, and body image attitudes so that you can employ the tremendous benefits of massage therapy in your own life. Let's define modesty as keeping within bounds of proper behavior, displaying appropriate methods before, during, and after your massage. Your therapist will allow you complete privacy to disrobe by leaving the room. You can keep your underwear on. You are fully covered by a sheet the entire time of the massage. Draping is the technique of using the sheet to maintain your sense of security and create the boundary between therapist and client. You can relax knowing that your safety and modesty are highly protected by your therapist. Knowledge can also play a key role in maximizing your massage experience. As a first-time client, your therapist needs to walk you step by step through the procedure before you get to the table. These include where you put your things, what the massage will entail, how to get on the table, how to breathe and relax. Allow you to ask questions. By preparing yourself with the knowledge of what to expect, you are more able to let down your guard and relax. That's why you're here. A skilled therapist should stay in good contact with you about your comfort, warmth, and pressure of massage strokes. This is a time you have set aside for yourself. Utilize it. Body image is another subject worth addressing. It deters people from enjoying the fullness of a massage experience. Massage is for everybody. Every shape, every size. There is no need to be self-conscious. Massage therapists are admirers of the body's form and function and work professionally to achieve developed goals for the session. I hope to have shed some light on some of the lesser discussed aspects of massage. I hope to have empowered you as a consumer to demand quality and professionalism from your massage therapists. I wish to convey the importance of modesty, knowledge, and appropriate body image attitudes. And most of all, I encourage every one of you to experience the endless benefits that massage therapy can provide.